Ooh, my friend the knife. Help me. Yes. $1,000 later. Hi everyone, I'm Wago Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Wago stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you have stopped by because you're curious what I received in the August 2021 Allure beauty box, then you're in the right place, and keep on watching. Okay, so shockingly, this is early. I received it today, which is August the 16th, and I am filming on a Monday, which is rare and odd. Also, it is like 11 o'clock at night, so I'm not wearing makeup. I do have some lip on. I always have mascara on. And if it looks like, whoa, she's got quite the foundation going, it's my new fake tan. So, you know, I'm not quite so pasty pale on camera. Anyways, I digress. What is an Allure beauty box, you may be asking? It is a beauty subscription from the Allure magazine, and it costs $23 a month. You are guaranteed to receive 3 full-size products. The rest of the items, and you get approximately 6 products. The other 3 will be travel or deluxe samples. All right, let's dig on in and pray it's a good one. You do get a pamphlet which will list all of the products included as well as the full-size prices. Okay, let's dig in. And I'm going to grab this first item, which is huge, and I just caught the name of the brand. This is 111 Skin, which is usually $111. This is a pricey brand. What is this? Okay, so this is the Y cream, which is a day cream. This brand is super bougie, expensive. This is what the packaging looks like. It's quite hefty. That's what it looks like. Not quite filled to the rim, but oh, it has a soft scent, not well. Oh, that's lovely. I can't put my finger on what that smells like, but I'm going to go with not obnoxious. It's a nice, soft, kind of floral with maybe a hint of, I don't know, cucumber. It's very nice. Let's see what the card has to say and see how expensive that's going to be. Shut up. Allure. No. Okay, so this brand is very shushy, very bougie. I was thinking, oh, it's probably going to be like $120. $270. Let me make sure I read that right. Right there. Holy expletive. That, okay, that, when I can't get words out of my mouth, I'm speechless. This technically is the most expensive skincare item I have ever received in a box. And I have received some that have been at least $200. Wait. This warrants reading the little booklet a little bit. Okay. A little bit of this rich cream goes a long way and leaves my dry skin feeling soft and moisturized throughout the day. The hyaluronic acid formula is intensely hydrating but it won't clog oily areas such as the T-zone. Alrighty. I just done. Thank you all for stopping by. I don't even need to look at the rest of the box because that paid for. Wow, okay. Threw me for a loop. Next item. What do we have here? This is from Vitabrid C12, and it's a dual drop serum. That is what the product looks like. Again, why don't we get a full... What's the point of a bottle this size if you aren't going to get every little last drop? All right, well, a little serum sample. Nothing can compare to that. Okay, next item. Ooh, tiny. Okay, what is this? This is from Beautaniq Beauty, and it's a blush serum. What? What is a blush serum? Wait, did we get makeup from Allure? A $270 face cream and makeup? Okay, so Allure notoriously is very skincare heavy. What is this? It's a blush serum in Magenta Sky. And what does it say? Oh, you can put it on your cheeks or your lips. I am fascinated. Of course, it's plasticky. Tiny boxes and cellophane do not get along. All right, let's see how bright this is. Ooh, she's bright. That is very bright. All right, well, interesting. I wonder if it'd go better on the lips. Not my shade. Un momento. Now I feel better. Okay, next item. We have a teeny tiny little sample here. What is this? This is Haruharu Wonder, and it's black rice hyaluronic toner. Ooh, I love a good toner. You don't see hyaluronic acid much in toners. All right, not familiar with this brand. Ooh, I wonder if it's Korean. Let's see what the booklet has to say. All right, so the editor says, this isn't the toner of your teenage years. Black rice extract and hyaluronic acid top the ingredient list of this hydrating formula. All right, well, I'll be excited to give that a try. If I like it, the full size is $37. A little pricey, but a little pricey. All right, next item. Ooh. I think this is a face mask. Yes, it's Mediheal Mask Science Intensive Hydrating Mask. Oh, it even looks like when you go to the hospital and you have like a drip. It's a personal thing. I'm not into face masks, but let's see what, wait. Is this full size? Like, where's the other? Although this made up for every other item in this box. But let's see what this mask is about. Price $19.90. Wait, what? $19.90? Please tell me that's for like a 5-pack. All right, last item. Ooh, it's from Realher, and this is I Am Resilient Metallic Bronze. Ooh, eyeliner. I thought it was gonna be a lip liner. For as much as I like lip products, it's so much extra work to do the lip liner. So, all right, me and the tiny box. I hope I like this shade, because if I have to put this in a giveaway, sorry, but the box will be destroyed by the time I can open it. Ooh, my friend the knife, help me. Yes. Okay, 10,000 years later, we have here, I Am Resilient. Does it give an actual color? Alright, we'll just do a swatch. Oh, that's a pretty color. It's like a bronzy shimmer. I wonder if you could put it in your lower lash line. Should I give it a try? I'm not wearing makeup because I'm filming at 11 p.m. So I'm going to skip that step. All right, well, let's recap this box. So we got not one, but two makeup items. So we got an eyeliner and a multitasking lip and cheek tint. We got an interesting hyaluronic acid toner, a hyaluronic acid serum, a rather pricey, in my opinion, face mask, and the star of the show, the ever so shishi 111 Skin, what is this? The My Theorem Day Cream. That's $270. What are your thoughts? Did your mind explode when you heard how much this was? Do we even care about this? Because we're just gaga over this? Actually, I'm excited to have a new eyeliner that isn't black. This for my lips, no. Maybe I'll try it on my cheeks. It is a little magenta pink. It does have a slight shimmer. I will give it a try. Not into the face masks. Love toners, and I love a good serum. So, yes. Was this box worth $23? You bet. Alright, I'm going to list on the screen the grand total of what the MSRP value is. This box is going to be crazy. Let me know your thoughts. What did you think? Have you been on the fence? I know Allure is polarizing. There are a lot of people that just can't stand it. They used to get it when it moved from a $15 box to a $23 box. But they've been coming lately. The last 3-4 boxes I've enjoyed. It is very skincare heavy, so if that's not your jam, I get it. Although we did get 2 makeup items. Is it worth $23? Yes, I think it is. I love the skincare though. Alright, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Don't forget to click the bell icon. And then this guy right around there would mean the world to me if you would hit that like button. It really does help my channel grow. Alright, thanks everyone.